No, the thing is
you yours off it.
Keep quiet. The song when you talk, if I play myself, you go sleep.
Now you sleep.
I don't know.
Now you sleep.
I go play them now. Should be not here with you.
Play them now. Now you sleep.
Play it with my brother song.
No, not be nyanya. Now that poto. Sorry, play.
Why ECB they keep it nails? He won't put cortex.
Not be this one now. You beat your eye. Okay, you make me headache, worry me more.
Oh!
That one now. That potato. That one they play.
Potato.
This guy can like to be sweet, safe.
I don't know. Look at.
You know, see, you know the feeling. Yes, go. No, you see, stop. I don't know what time it is. Now you tell me. You get one particular guy when you say, if you hear music, play music. Just play that music now. Maybe you go see. Normally, person figures they dance. Then he go to come. You know that okay, not be the same music when you hear now the hear. You know they hear that come. I don't know who tell me that. Anyway, we're not going to work out of the night show. My name is Nande.
When that you feeling was from my way.
Hey, me, Katim, and ECB doesn't have my side studio today. Wait, now, I will push you further for you.
Then why are you so volatile this evening? I just
volatile.
Yeah, I'm not feeling me from now. If you want to do deaf and dumb this song, how goes on?
I remember one batty. One batty now. I remember for deaf and dumb. One day we didn't give belly.
But why no? Why boys always do that?
One deaf and dumb girl wouldn't give.
And she come fine.
And that 8 years old girl we called yesterday. Don't make me now. Nobody talk nonsense now. What did your name yesterday?
I don't know. Something. One long Igbo name calling from Abba.
Now, before we start the show, we got guests for Inside Show for today.
No, we never gist these things.
Hey, now we got guests, but we'll talk the gist first of all now.
Okay.
Eh?
Which kind of guests? Now, useless guests now. Guests we don't make any. They don't have any use to the face of the earth. They don't add salt. Neither are they the soil of the earth. So, what do we go quantify them as? Inadequate objects.
What do you call them?
AK.
No, reusable materials. Nine them me.
Kind of AK.
AK,
yes.
AK na gun now.
No, in his language. But Onyema Wong, so
what do you AK for your language?
AK Mikoti.
Jesus.
Oh yeah, tweet us. Talk that thing again.
AK.
Una de ye.
What do you mean that brother we call? Which country your brother come from? Switzerland. I mean, where your brother come from?
Yes.
From Switzerland. Now your brother come from Switzerland, be from Atlanta.
Ifeanyi.
No, now that one come from Atlanta when they say your mother.
Yesterday. He can't get carried away.
Before I start show off today, this one happened for inside Kenya today. I mean, yesterday it happened.
They do.
What did happen for that Kenya? Eh?
I didn't even gist you. Before Kenya, you know they don't submit minister list. Hey, I see somebody name inside there. I see your name now.
You see, when I talk to I don't blow. People not agree.
I don't know.
You see, I don't talk for radio. When some time money come, I will buy first factor. You see, Sanusi fan for what will have 4 in first stack. 23 road, we are going to convert it. If they will call a red light district. What is going to happen there? Fellowship every day.
Hey, it better be nice to.
Better be nice to me now.
Now,
better be nice to me.
As you see him now, better be nice. There's not going to come them like you are looking at him like he's a spectacle. You better be nice to him because nobody knows tomorrow.
Kesolo will be my. You know, say when they get commissioner will get special advisor on something. Kesolo will get special. No, special on a cigar. Special advisor on cigar issues.
Tobacco.
No, on tobacco matters. Special advisor on tobacco matters. Then ECB go be special advisor. No, ECB go follow married women too. Follow married women too much. No.
ECB go no. He go in charge of entertainment.
Then bash. I trust bash.
Security.
If has become the special advisor of security, but I don't know.
What is Shabali?
Hey, Shabali, let me see.
It's work.
No, before I enter anywhere, you know, they say they get functions, conference. Before I enter any conference, Shabali will go open the conference. You go back to it. When when she don't play, they can't catch the attention of people. They're like, go, what is going to happen? Anyway, if I in Kenya today, they don't arrest 2 women, middle-aged women. They didn't start prison now, so they flow talk so now. Why?
What did they do?
Because it's good for the guy. It's good. These 2 women, then go do gym.
Okay.
So if let's say this particular guy where they teach them, all these gym instructors, I don't know why their trousers they always look.
They always wear tight trousers. I don't know. Wear trousers that used to have space in between your leg. Don't you know me?
It's fitting.
Oh, so, you stand back and rearrange.
Wait now. You know those people they always gym. All those guys when they can't show themselves. You don't get one day I go gym. We was a day for gym. Cause see where the man come the hold the girl. No, do it like this. No, person wife.
Nah, Jim is
I don't know whether the same thing happen for inside Kenya, but the 2 women they rape the man.
The man go dey thankful now. Which kind of man go dey complain?
It was used.
No, but
He said I was abused.
I wonder how the guy will come outside.
I was abused.
Oh God!
no, he go just.
Oh God!
No, Nedi go carry him trust. You know, he go do like this. He go.
He's gonna cry. Is it the cocoa has no apple?
He go run, come on.
No, ask me. If not, let me be the, no, not me go be the man, not be the go rape.
Easy bit.
Is it bit? Can't ask the man.
No, you be the man. You just act
No,
man. Should we don't
No,
stop
can't
already?
ask the man. You said you find the gym instructor. Come.
No,
Leave the matter because what I want to talk now is not good for TV. Anyway, Katim, go that way you want to talk today.
no, you know, say, they say you are my kind. They even sing song, you are my kind, you are all that I want. When you go and look for your kind, this kind, I don't know, is a bit kind of kind.
Easy be get in kind of videos and not be like Shakara and not get spec.
Okay, so if you come be deaf and dumb, you can't decide to marry and safe. How you go be like? How will they communicate?
Then wait, I don't understand. Deaf and dumb marry blind person. Be deaf and dumb.
Deaf and dumb marry themselves.
I don't see deaf and dumb we marry for Kaduna.
No, how did they behave?
That's sign language now.
How?
I do imagine.
That's what I'm saying now.
When they want if the man want minister to the wife.
Then, if you want to know, so say.
Anyway, we're not to get time. Jamo, that's much chicken. When we come back, we'll get Ogbolor, one of the watch for late night show. Plus, including Twale.
Useless people.
Show day on Sunday. This on a checkpoint. They call them
show?
Checkpoints and stage play. Which will happen for 27th of this month. We'll do for Museum Center for Lagos for you. We'll got some more checking in, but they're going to come back. Then 2 of them go down there for on top chair so that we'll ask them questions. Okay, now police checkpoint.
Where did they collect money now? We don't see the film finish. Now nothing there again. You sit down, come, checkpoint, come. Who go there? Stop. 10 naira. Go.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.